Where's that rain you promised me? Oh, Mr. Weatherman, I've been waiting patiently. Mister, can you spare a drop? Here a drop, there a drop, 2 drops, 4 drops, 10 more drops. Now it's all around me. Gee, I'm glad you found me. I love to walk in the rain. Look for me when it's stormy down some lazy lane, and I'll be there. I love to walk in the rain. The lightning may be frightening. I love the rain, so I don't care. I feel wonderful when the skies above are thunderful. I don't complain. I know it's fun in the sun, but take all kinds of weather when all said and done. I love to walk in the rain. I love to walk in the rain. Look for me when it's stormy outside. You'll be late and I'll be there. I love to walk in the rain. The lightning may be frightening, but I love the rain, so I don't care. I love to walk in the rain. So lightning may be frightening. I love the rain, so I don't care. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How about a week with every day a pitter-patter day? I wouldn't complain.